Hey guys, just coming back with a quick little video for right now. So I just got something in for the bike. It is a little jack stand, or a portable jack stand. Something to essentially just prop up the bike so you can do chain maintenance and whatnot. It's actually pretty nice quality for what you get. And it's pretty easy. Just put it on the ground. It kind of has a no slip swiveling base. You just kind of start screwing it. It goes up and picks up the back wheel, and you can lock it into place with the nut if you need to. It looks pretty good. It also gives you a little plastic piece to engage your front brake. With the DCT, you really don't need the front brake to be locked, but it's not a bad idea to do it either. So let's do this, get this out of the way. But yeah, you just get it on a level surface. Actually, come to think of it, the lock on this is for the back tire, so that might need to be disengaged. Yep, there we go. Yeah, you can see I'm well and truly off. So, let's do it real quick. Got chain oil here, or chain lube, and this is the type that works with the O-rings that the 1100 has on it. And you just get in here. Yep, there we go. And just like that, chain lube is done. Now I'm going to re-engage and then lower it. And we're back down. So yeah, that's pretty much that for that. Works pretty good. I think this thing can hold 440 pounds, which the Rebel being 520 wet and it only jacking up the back, we're pretty safe. So yeah, that's pretty much just it for today. Just nice, quick and easy. Thanks for coming by, and catch you later.